Grade 12, join as fast as possible. Some tube lights I called offline class. Why are they not here? Now what happened to it? Not working properly. Wait, your system hanged. I need one time. 1 minute. I'll start the class. Sorry, inform in the group. Ma'am, when will the material to be shared? Material will be shared in the group itself. The group what you are in that only one by one, I'm going to send the materials. Today I sent you one thing. If you check that part, rate measures formula I have sent. Hey, yaar, what is the problem with this? 1 minute, wait. What is the problem? Go down. Mama. Last question till there we have finished. Now we are going to solve big questions. Yes, one by one I'm going to send here, chapter by chapter, chapter by chapter, chapter by chapter. You should have some patience. After that patience only you will be getting the good result. Inform in the group that class started, and seriously, I'm going to punch them if they will not be coming this time. I called some of the idiots. Yeah, I can't bear this. I'm just going to be free today and teach. Wait. So now look at, I'm going to teach now, and I'm going to teach it to the perfect line. Now come on, start the work please. Class started, you inform in group and inform them. I started the class. The volume of a sphere is increasing at a rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. Now look here, the volume of a sphere, if somebody will be asking you the volume, now come on, check this one out. This is a sphere and sphere volume is increasing. Okay, the rate of increase of volume is 8 cubic centimeter per second. So what we are going to do here is volume is equal to 8 cubic centimeter per second. This is the rate. Find the rate at which the surface area increasing when the sphere is, I think this question we have already solved. We will go for the next question. This is the next question. The radius r of a right circular cylinder is decreasing at a rate of 3 centimeter per minute. Understood or not? So here the question given to you is the radius r of a right circular cylinder. Okay. So first we are going to draw a right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder will be this. So right circular cylinder. This is a right circular cylinder. I did not able to give that heat. Now look here, this is exactly h. So now the radius r of a right circular cylinder is decreasing. So that means dr by dt is equal to minus 3 centimeter per minute. Because it is decreasing, so it is minus 3 centimeter per minute. The rate is exactly decreasing. Understood? Now what next they have given this, and height is increasing. So dh by dt, height is increasing with 2 centimeter per minute. So one is decreasing, one is increasing. Radius is exactly decreasing, height is increasing. So radius part we have written minus 3 centimeter because it is decreasing, height is increasing. So when the radius is 7 and height is 2, find the rate of change of volume. It's a very simple question because volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Come on. So dv by dt is equal to pi will be as it is dr square dt into dh by dt. Correct? So one time what we are going to do is we will apply d of dt there. Absolutely correct, sir. A. Inform in the group for everyone to join as fast as possible. What is this here? What is this? Inform in the group or I'll cancel the class. Don't. Informed, but after information also idiots did not join. Seriously, I'm going to cancel the class, miss. After that, I'm not going to keep this rate measures questions. I'm telling you. So now look here. So one time we are going to apply this d of dt in r square h. So here dv by dt is equal to pi 1 time r square dh by dt plus h dr square by dt. Correct? So now we are going to write it dv by dt is equal to pi. So here it is dh by dt is 2. So r square into 2 here plus it is coming as 2r into h dr by dt. But here you must remember that dr by dt means radius is decreasing. Okay. So since radius is decreasing, what you are going to apply here is dv by dt equal to pi, radius is coming as 7. Understood? So once radius is coming as 7, so we are going to write 7 square. 7 square is 49 into 2 plus 2 into 7, and after that h is exactly given as 2 centimeter, height into centimeter, but radius part is coming dr by dt is minus 3. So here into minus 3. Okay, so we are going to do one thing. dv by dt is equal to 22 by 7. Into 7 if we are taking out, then here it will become 7 twos are 14. After that minus, here it is coming 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. 12. So here 7 and 7 get cancelled. It is coming as 22 into 2. It is coming as 44. We have to find rate of change of volume only now. So here 44 centimeter cube per minute. So this is going to be the answer. 44. Shivaranjani, good evening, beta. So 44 centimeter cube per minute is exactly going to be the answer. I hope it is clear. So this is the way we have to solve. And here it is coming to be, so rate of increase. So it is exactly increasing. The volume is not decreasing here. The volume is increasing at a rate 44 centimeter cube per second. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, tell me, did you understood this part? Shall we go for the next question? Now we are going to go for the next question. Get ready, please. Get ready for the next question. Example number 14 we have finished. Now we are going to go for example number 15. This question done. Now come on, give me the answer for this question. So like this only questions will come, mostly 3 marks question. For rate measures, like this questions will be coming. 2 marks, 3 marks questions will be there, and it will be coming like this. Now go for the next question, please. Okay, at least try and give the answer. At least solve this question and bring the answer. Solve the question. Try this question out. So the radius r or base of a right circular cone is decreasing. So now here what they have given is right circular cone we are going to take. This is right circular cone. Radius r or base of right circular cone is decreasing. So dr by dt is equal to minus 2 centimeter per minute. Done. And its height is increasing. As the previous question it is showing, dh by dt equal to 3 centimeter per minute, minus and plus, because decreasing and increasing. This is height and this is radius. Done. After that what they're telling, that when r is, so when radius is 3.5 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of volume of the cone. So we know that volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So now dv by dt is equal to pi by 3 coming common. We will differentiate r square h with respect to t. Okay, so here it will become dv by dt equal to pi by 3. One time you leave h and you differentiate r square with respect to t, and r square dh by dt. Done. So here dv by dt equal to pi by 3. Here it will become h into 2r dr by dt plus r square dh by dt. So once you have done here, now we have to just substitute this value, this value, this value, and this value. So it is coming as pi by 3. H is exactly 6 into 2 into radius part is coming as 3.5. 3.5. dr is minus 2. We will take minus 2 here. Plus here radius is 3.5. So 3.5 into 3.5, I will take it 2 times. And height is exactly increasing with 3. That's it. Calculation only we have to do. 3 we will take it out from there. It is coming 22 by 7 into 3. And 3.5 we will try to take out. 3 into 3.5 we will take out. 3 into 3.5, so that it will get cancelled. So this 3.5, and from here 3 I have taken out. What left is 2, 2 and 2. It will become minus 8 and then plus 3.5 came out. 3, 5, 15 and 3, 3 is 9, 1, 10. It will come as 10.5. cos. Done. So this and this got cancelled, this and this got cancelled into 0.5. So now we are going to get the answer. Come on, check this one out. What should I reply? Hi only I am going to reply, because I am very angry mood right now. Anger mood coming if I will say hi also. Yes. So definitely it is going to be problem for my students, those who are not joining the live sessions. So I'm angry on them, not on you. So please kindly don't take it. So 5 to the 10, it is coming as 11. And now 10.5 minus 8.0. So 5, 2.5. Come on, check. No, actually, some of very intelligent students are there. They are super intelligent. Hmm. Since they are very super intelligent, I am super angry today. Okay, fine, no problem. You are from Karnataka, that's good only. Okay, Tanish. Is it Tanish? Is it Tanish or is it someone else? Tanish, are you there in the group? I'm teaching applications, rate measures. I'm teaching rate measures right now. Rate measures I'm teaching Tanish. So this is exactly the question and this is the way I have solved the question. Come on, height and rate. One is increasing, one is decreasing. So, okay, the radius of the base of right circular cone is decreasing by -2. So I'll put -2 there I have put. After that, this section has increased. So I wrote that part. 3.5 I have taken out and 3 I have taken out. Fine. Then only I did. So if I'm taking out 3 means here it will become 3.5. Done. So I have taken out 3 means -8. Minus 8.00. 3.5 means 5. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 3 is 4.5. So it is coming as dV by dt is minus 11 into 4.5. So 45, 45, 495, 495 it is coming minus. Okay. So that's what is the volume coming. Yes. I'm not interested to join anywhere, sir. I'm where I am is very happy. I'll be happy here only. Okay. So now look here. This is exactly cubic centimeter per minute. So that's the part and that's the way to solve the question. We will be going for the next question, please. Now this is one question we have solved, 3 marks question. This is NCERT question and please kindly solve NCERT. Kartika, good evening, beta. Good evening, Kartika. First session already I have finished. That time MCQs I have finished. Beta, rate measures related questions first I have finished. After that MCQ questions, 2 marks question I have discussed. Now I am in 3 marks question. and then 5 marks question. Okay, 5 marks generally from rate measures, it will not be coming. We will be expecting some case studies, assertion reason questions also we will be expecting. So whatever things are there, one time we will be discussing those sections. Okay, so get ready for this beta. Now can we solve the question please? A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves moves in a circle at a speed of 5 centimeter per second. So that means once we are dropping a stone, and beta it is exactly, I can't understand one thing. Why people are putting conditions on me? So like this, this. So waves will be generated in the form of circles. This waves will be generated beta. So this is exactly a type of impulse generation now. So impulse generated, got it. So now what is exactly the radius? So here the radius is changing, correct? So radius will be changing beta. So the stone is dropped in a quiet lake and waves in a circle at a speed of this. Speed is given beta. What is the speed given here is, okay, once we are going to take here speed means distance. The radius is acting as a distance with respect to time. So here it will, speed here is dr by dt, understood? So here because r is the distance, the impulse will be changing now, means you are dropping a stone here, then wave will be generated. The wave will be coming in the form of circles. The wave will be coming in the form of circles. So dr by dt will be generated here beta, because radius keeps on changing. If this is r, this one will become r1 and this one will become r2. So definitely at every phase radius. Yes, you can tell answer. That's good only. So here dr by dt will be coming as 5 centimeter per second. Got it? It is coming as 5 centimeter per second. 80 pi centimeter square. 80 pi square centimeter. Yes, unit also you can write. That's going to work. Okay. Now beta dr by dt is coming as this much. Area of circle will be what beta? Area of circle is pi r square. So dA by dt, because impulse generated pi, it will become, if you differentiate, it will become 2r dr by dt. Correct? So here radius is exactly telling as 10. Correct? And here it is 5. Huh? So pi into 2 into radius is 8 and dr by dt is 5. So it is coming as 80 pi square centimeter per second. That's it. This question looks difficult. Absolutely correct, Anish. So this question looks difficult, but this is not a difficult question. It's an easy question. We just have to, means understanding by listening the word wave and this thing, that thing, we will go out of track. Man, this is very difficult question. No, nothing is there, because the radius keeps on changing. The impulse will be exactly talking about that radius change only. The speed is nothing but dr by dt. Now we'll go for this another NCRT question. Why we are discussing NCRT question in this platform? Because NCRT question can have access anytime with you. I hope you might have understood. So only NCRT question is exactly very important for you. I hope you might have heard this. Fine. So come on, we'll do this work. Now we are going for the next question. A balloon is exactly, diameter of the balloon is given to you. How many of you are online? Can you tell your names please, so that I can be able? First, diameter of the balloon. So diameter of the balloon taken as, so diameter of the balloon is exactly given as 3 by 2 2x plus 1. This is the diameter of the balloon. So radius of the balloon will become, I think just now we have solved this question. It will become 3 by 4 2x plus 1. Just now before some time we have had discussion about this question. So I think this question you will be able to say the answer in no time, because volume with respect to x. So volume will be equal to, balloon will be in the shape of a sphere. So here it will become dv by dx equal to 4 by 3 pi. Here r, instead of r what you are going to put? Instead of r we are going to put r cube. R cube means 3 by 2. Volume part will be coming as 2x plus 1 whole cube will be there. Okay, because volume they have asked na. Yes, rate of change of volume. So dv by dx equal to 4 by 3 pi. Here it is coming as how many times? 3 will come 3 times, because radius is coming cube. So here total cube will be outside. 3 will be coming 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, and this part will be coming as 2 into 2 into 2. Now 2x plus 1 whole cube will be there. So this and this is going to cancel, this is going to cancel. So dv by dt is equal to 9 pi by 2. 3 3 is a 9 pi by 2, and then d of dt 2x plus 1 whole cube. So 9 pi by 2 into 3, 2x plus 1 whole square into 2. The total differentiation part is coming, it is coming as 3927 pi into 2x plus 1 whole square. Done. Now they have did anything question else is written? No. So volume with respect, it will become centimeter cube per second. If unit is not given, then we'll write unit cubic unit per second. Unit cube per second. That's it. So this is exactly the way to proceed the answer. Some live more means what? I didn't understood. Understood? Yes, I'm going to take. Most of the time I'm taking only now. Live classes only I'm taking right now. What is that? This is live only na. So now this is exactly the way to proceed and solve the questions. Is it done? So this is exactly the answer. We were expecting this answer 27. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, question was very easy. Yaar. What they have given that they gave the a balloon is in the shape of a spherical balloon. का shape ये है आपका boss, and in that they have given you diameter. This is diameter. So whenever we talk about diameter, radius is half of diameter. So half of diameter is radius. So radius part will become 3 by 4. Okay. Now volume formula is what? Volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of a sphere. So when you are writing volume of a sphere, r radius section value came this much, 3 by 4. Here one thing I did, I wrote 2. So 3 by 4 here it is there. So 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 will come this much time. This is coming 4 into 4 into 4, 3 times coming. This 4 gone. It is coming as how much? It will come as 3 3s are 9 pi by 16. Sorry, where I am today. So now this part 9 pi by 16 is coming, and then here 3 pi square 2 will be there. So 16 and 2 will cancel, it will come as 8. 16 and 2 will be cancelled. So it is coming as 8. This much is coming as the volume part. That's it. Yes. So this is exactly the way we have to answer the question. Mostly the part where you have to write, you need to write the volume. You must know the volume section. You must know the surface area of cone. You must know the surface area of cylinder. Only what part will be there? This dr by dt or some things they will be explaining and they will be asking the questions. Now come on, go for this question. This is not a very dangerous question. Question number 18. But this will definitely be carrying. Yes, this will be definitely carrying some marks, so be very acquainted and solve it very particularly. See, ellipse, this is exactly talking about ellipse. Does the ordinate decreasing, see, at what point of ellipse does the ordinate decreases at the same rate at which the abscissa increases? So increase in one will decrease the other. That's what is called as ordinate and abscissa. So if somebody will be asking you, abscissa is x-axis and ordinate is y-axis. So decrease of one will increase the other. The same rate they are telling. You need to be very particular at what rate. At what point they are asking? At what point of the ellipse? So already we know that ellipse phase will be looking like what? Just check this one out. So what is the figure ellipse will be exactly? So please check this one out. This is ellipse. Correct. So now what they're talking about, so ellipse equation they have given. What is the equation of the ellipse given? 16x square plus 9y square equal to 400 given. So 16x square plus 9y square equal to 400 given to you. Don't do anything, differentiate it. Okay. So when you will be differentiating it, because one word is there now, decrease in one will increase the other. So plus minus variations will be there. Something is going to be written there. So we will be writing that part. After that we will be solving. What they are telling that it does the ordinate decreases at the same rate at which abscissa increases. So increase in abscissa will decrease the ordinate. Ordinate y-axis, abscissa x-axis. Only this much we remember. Okay. Now we are going to first differentiate it. So when we are differentiating it, it will become 2x dx by dt. Now plus 9 into 2y dy by dt equal to 0. So till here done. Now dy by dt we are going to shift this one this side. Let's check this one out. First, we are not doing anything. We are just solving it as a basic section. So now once we are differentiating 16 to the 32x dx by dt equal to minus 9 to the 18y dy by dt. Can I write like this? Come on, check. I wrote like this. Did I did any crime? No. So first I am going to shift this one. Now what they have given, that abscissa increase, what they are telling, does the ordinate decreases at the same rate at which the abscissa increases. So one will increase, another one will decrease. So definitely increase in one will decrease the other. So can I write like this? So minus 18y into this, and this will become dx by dt. One time first I am going to cancel it out. So it is dx by dt. Minus into minus will become plus, and it will become 18y dx by dt. Because they both are equal and opposite, so cancelled out. Can I write like this? Come on. So here it is coming as y will be coming in terms of x, 32x by 18. I hope you might have understood till here. Is it clear? Is the, it's not lagging right now, no? So instead of y, I can write here now it is 16x square. Now y square is coming plus 9 into 16x into 16x by 9 into 9 equal to 400. So space is less. I need to solve this in this little space only. So 9 and 9 will get cancelled. It is coming 16x square plus 16 into 16 x square by 9 equal to 400. Okay. Now we need to solve this one and get out the value, because x value should be coming. So once x value will be coming, so we will do one thing. We will find 16x square. Now it is coming as 9 plus 16 by 9 is equal to 400. So now what we will do is x square is equal to 400 into 9 by 25 into 60. So 25, 4s are 100. So here it is coming as 16. 16, 16 cancel. X square is equal to 9. So x will be equal to plus minus 3. Once you are getting x is equal to plus minus 3, so one time x value will be coming as plus 3 and one time x value will be coming as minus 3. Two answers are coming. So now x is equal to 3, and when x will be equal to minus 3. So when x will be equal to 3, what answer will be coming? Same answer will be coming or different answer will be coming? We are going to check that. So when x will be equal to 3, it will become 16, because we are going to substitute here only to get the answer. So here 3 square will be coming. So 16 into 9 plus 9y square is equal to 400, correct? So now here 9y square is equal to 400 minus 6954, 144. So y square is equal to 10 minus 4 by 9 is coming. Come on. That will give you 256. Sorry, 256. 256 by 9. So y will be coming as plus minus 16 by 9. Plus minus 16 by 9. So one time plus 16 by 9, one time minus 16 by 9. So x will be equal to one time 3 by 3, 16 by 9. So one time plus value will be coming, one time minus 3 and minus 16 by 9. So these two will be the values which is exactly going to work. So I hope you might have understood. This is again another important point. I hope till here everybody might have understood. Understood, beta? Okay. I hope you might have understood this one. Okay, good. So we'll go for the next question, beta. We have solved nearly 18 questions for 3 marks. Now you go with this question. Question like this only, rate measures means like this type questions will be coming. Rate measures means like this type of questions is coming. I hope till here it is clear. Solve this question. Beta, what is this question is exactly given to you? They're telling about that area of expanding rectangle is increasing. Expanding rectangle. So area of expanding rectangle is increasing. Okay. So now at a rate of 48 square centimeter per second. So they are doing area is increasing. So what is the rate of change of area given, beta? The rate of change of area given is 48. Okay. So we are going to solve this question. So the length of the rectangle is always equal to square of the breadth. So length of the rectangle. So we are going to talk about rectangle. It is length and this is breadth. Okay. So area part when we are writing, area is equal to length into breadth. So the length of a rectangle is always equal to square the breadth. So length is equal to square times of breadth. Okay. At what rate the length is increasing at an instant when the breadth is 5 centimeter. So this is what they are telling, at what rate the length will be increasing. So beta area formula when you will be writing, so if I want to remove breadth, understood, just understand. So what I am going to write, so here L into B, and this is exactly according to the statement they have given. They gave a statement that L is equal to square of breadth. Okay. So when L is equal to square of breadth written means root under L is equal to B written. We'll write it. So A is equal to L into root under L. So A is equal to L 3 by 2. Huh? Now if we will write, it will become dA by dt is equal to 3 by 2 L to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. So dA by dt is given as 48. 48 is equal to root under L given. Huh? So it is 48 into 2 by 3 is equal to root under L. So 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. Come on, right? L will be coming as how much better? So dl by dt is also coming now, because dl by dt differentiation part, they talked about dl by dt or not, we need to check. They're telling the length is at what rate the length is increasing at an instant when the breadth is this much. So at what rate the length is increasing when the breadth is this much. So we are going to just first distribute this part and write it. So length is equal to what? So here this part coming at what rate? So the dl by dt only they are asking. Root under L is B. We will write this. So 16 into 2 is equal to root under L dl by dt. Now beta root under L is nothing but B. So 32 is equal to B dl by dt. So what is B beta? B is 4.5. So 32 by 4.5 is equal to dl by dt. Come on, is equal to dl by dt is coming. So we will write it at 10, 0, 5, 9, 45, 5, 6, 30, 64 by 9. So it is coming dl by dt, dl by dt, final answer is coming as 64 by 9. Length now, so centimeter per second. This is the answer, 64 by 9 centimeter per second. Come on, check this one out. This is an easy question. I hope you might have understood. Till here understood or not? Is it done? We'll go for the next question. NCRT exemplar question. Yes, beta, super. So like this only. Shall we solve next question, please? What is the question? X and y are the sides of two squares such that, so two squares are there separately, two squares are there. Just check this one out question. All the rate measures questions we are touching. So this is exactly one square side is y, x another square side is y. So are the sides of two squares such that now their connectivity is y is equal to x minus x square. Find the rate of change of area of second square with respect to the area of first square. Okay. So first work is what we will do. What is the area of first square? This is square 1 and this is square 2. So area of square 1 we will take it as A1 and area of square 2 we will take it as A2. So area of square 1 is x square. Dt is equal to 2x dx by dt, correct? Now A2 area will be coming as y square. So it will come d of A2 by dt is equal to 2y dy by dt. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. What they are telling that you find the rate of change of area of second square with respect to area of first square. This is area of second square. I am fine, sir. So now area of second square with respect to area of first square. Second square is 2y dy by dt and this is 2x dx by dt. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. It will become y by x. Dt also will get cancelled. Dy by dx. So this is differentiation part. So now we are going to write y in terms of x. What they are telling? Keep the x and y are the sides of two squares such that this part is there. If we will differentiate with respect to x, this one, I'm fine, thank you. So here it is coming as dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 2x. So dy by dx is 1 minus 2x. We'll substitute there. Got it? So 1 minus 2x we are going to substitute here. So that area variations we are going to take. Y part is coming as y is already given as x minus x square. Y value is given. From here I am taking y value x minus x square. X is already there and now dy by dx is 1 minus 2x. So 1 minus 2x. So it is, if I am taking x common, 1 minus x by x into 1 minus 2x. So this and this will get cancelled. So change in area is coming as we have to multiply minus 2x minus x plus 2x square. So it is coming as 2x square minus 3x plus 1. 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. That's the answer. That's the final answer. I hope till here. Very good. So we'll go for the next question. Now long questions, 5 mark. Long question, 5 mark questions are there. Come on, go for it. All India 2017, long questions, 5 mark questions. This is exactly the last part of the questions. If you do miss these type questions, means story over. Yes, I'm going to do this part of this, and the width is increasing at a rate. When x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6, find the rate of change of perimeter and the area of rectangle. It's usually a usual question there. Perimeter is equal to 2l plus b will be there, beta. So perimeter part is different, length part is different. Let's talk about this. Shall we start? Okay, fine. Yeah, I'm going to do. Can I know your name, please? Just one time. So just understand this one. The question here is this is length and this is breadth of a rectangle. After that, what they are telling here is, now look at the length x is there. So length we are going to take it as x and breadth is exactly going to take as y. So length is decreasing. That is dx by dt equal to minus 5 centimeter per minute. Okay. And dy by dt is increasing. Dy by dt is equal to 4 centimeter per minute. Done? So once you have done this much, after that they are telling that when x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6, x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. So now look here, beta. So till here you have done. Ah. So now we are going to start this work. Just check this one out. First the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2x plus y. Now beta, what you are going to write? dp by dt is equal to 2 dx by dt plus dy by dt. So now beta, dx is what? Minus 5 and dy by dt is 4. So answer is coming as minus 2. So dp by dt rate of change of perimeter is coming as minus 2 centimeter per second per minute. Story over. See, 5 mark question is so easy. Correct. Next part you do. Next section question will be coming is area. Area is equal to L into B. So area is equal to X into Y. dA by dt is equal to 1 time Y dx by dt, 1 time X dy by dt. So Y value what they have told? Y value they have told is 6. 6 into dx is minus 5 plus 4 into dy is 4. X value is 8 now. 8 into 4. So minus 30 plus 4 8s are 32. So answer is coming as 2 square centimeter per second. So this is exactly the way to proceed these questions. Mansi, you are so late. Is it done? Hmm. Beta, till here it is done. This is a good question and this is a very expected question, and you must be doing thinking about this question, beta. Do this question very nicely. A sand is pouring in a pipe at a rate of this much. So volume is exactly increasing. The falling sand from a cone on a ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of radius of the base. So height of the cone is 1/6 of radius of the base. Okay. How fast is the height of the cone is increasing when this is there? So height is given as 1/6 of the radius of the base. So volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Understood? So here, if I'm going to put here, so volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square. They're telling height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius. So 1/6 of the radius. 1 by 6 3 is 18 pi r cube. Okay. So now we are solving it. dv by dt is equal to 1 by 18 pi into 3r square dr by dt. Done. Volume is given as 12. 12 is equal to 1 by 18 pi into 3 into radius is given as 4 here. Sorry, height. So I should be removing radius and putting height, because they told that how fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when the height is 4 centimeter. Wait, sand is falling at a rate of this much. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing? Miss dh by dt they are asking. They are not asking dr by dt. So why I am wasting my time? So we are going to form this. It will become radius is equal to 6 times of height. I'm going to use this one. So pi r square v is equal to, so v is equal to 1 by 3 pi into radius, because they told height is 1/6 of radius. Check, height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius. 1 by 6 of the radius. Height of the cone is, yes beta, dh h, yes, correct only. So only I just changed. Last moment you might have seen that I have changed it. So here it is coming as radius will become 6h whole square into h. Now check this one out beta. 6x whole square into h. Now it is coming as v is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into 6 h cube. Okay, so it is coming as 12. So v is equal to 12 pi h cube. Done. So now dv by dt is equal to 12 pi into 3h square dh by dt. Now beta dv by dt already given to you as 12. So 12 is equal to 12 into pi into 3. This 12 and this 12 will get cancelled. H is how much? 4. I hope we got the answer. dh by dt, everything is coming into the pi format. 4, 4, 16, 3s are 48. So dh by dt is equal to 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second. This is rate of change of height, centimeter per second. Yes. So this is one type question which we must have to solve. This is done, beta. So this is exactly now this material I'm going to provide. Whatever questions are there, remaining questions I'm going to provide in the group for practice. That's the rate reserved